Are you tired of spending your precious weekends out here in the heat, spraying your garden down with stinky oils, only to watch the pests come roaring back after the very first rain shower? It feels like an endless losing battle, doesn't it? But what if I told you there's a smarter way to garden? What if you could protect your prized vegetables from the inside out, creating an invisible shield that lasts for 30 whole days with just one single application? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about, popular pest control products in the United States, Bio-Advanced Fruit, Vegetable, and Berry Insect Control. In this comprehensive review, we are going to unpack absolutely everything you need to know. We'll cover what it actually is, the hidden science of how it works, a step-by-step application guide, the critical pros and cons, safety guidelines you cannot ignore, and exactly how much it's going to cost you at your local Home Depot. Let's get into it. First off, let's clear up the confusion. What exactly is this product, and why is it changing the game for so many gardeners? Unlike traditional remedies you might be familiar with, like neem oil, insecticidal soaps, or Captain Jack's Dead Bug Brew, which are all contact sprays, Bio-Advanced is a completely different beast. This is a systemic insecticide. Now, what does systemic actually mean? It means you do not spray this onto the leaves or the fruit. Instead, you apply it directly to the soil. The roots of your plant drink it up, and the active ingredient travels through the entire internal vascular system of the plant, into the stems, the branches, and every single leaf. Think of it like a medicine that creates an internal defense system. The moment an aphid, a whitefly, or a destructive beetle takes just one bite of your tomato or pepper plant, it's game over for them. And here is the absolute best part. Because the protection lives inside the plant tissue, it is completely rainproof. It will not wash away in a summer thunderstorm, and it won't degrade in the blazing afternoon sun. It stays in the system, working quietly in the background for a full month. Applying this product is incredibly easy, but I cannot stress this enough. You have to get the dosage exactly right to protect both your plants and yourself. You can't just guess or pour it out blindly. Follow these exact steps for a perfect application. Step 1. Read the accordion label. Always peel back and read the detailed accordion label on the back of your specific bottle before you start. Different crops can sometimes have specific guidelines. Step 2. Measure the dosage. For the vast majority of standard garden vegetables, the magic ratio is 0.5 fluid ounces for every 10 square feet of garden bed space. Use a dedicated measuring cup that you only use for garden chemicals. Step 3. Mix with water. Pour that measured 0.5 ounces into a standard 1-gallon watering can filled with clean water. Give it a gentle swirl to ensure the concentrated formula is completely dissolved and evenly distributed. Step 4. Apply to the base. Pour the mixture slowly and evenly directly to the soil at the very base of your plants. Make a conscious effort to avoid splashing it onto the foliage, the flowers, or any developing fruit. That's literally all it takes. One simple watering session and your crops are fully locked down and guarded against aphids, whiteflies, leafhoppers, and destructive beetles for the next 30 days. Let's lay all the cards on the table and talk about the honest pros and cons, because this product isn't for everyone. Let's start with the pros. The absolute #1 benefit is pure, unmatched convenience. No more mixing messy sprays every 3 days, no more dragging heavy hoses around the garden every weekend, and no more worrying if the weather forecast is going to ruin your hard work. It is an absolute lifesaver for busy gardeners who want a beautiful harvest but don't have hours of free time every week. Now for the cons. First and foremost, this is a conventional chemical solution. If you are a 100% certified organic gardener, this product simply does not fit into your philosophy, and that is completely okay. Secondly, you have to be highly responsible with your timing. To protect our vital pollinators, you must never apply this product to the soil if bees are actively foraging around open flowers in that specific area. This brings us to our ultimate safety tip, the PHI, or pre-harvest interval. This is the strict number of days you must wait between applying the product and safely harvesting your food. This is non-negotiable. For example, with tomatoes, the PHI is incredibly short. You only have to wait 1 day before picking and eating. However, for peppers, it's 7 days. Every single vegetable has a different wait time, so always double-check your specific crop on the back label before you harvest. So, if you've decided this fits your gardening style, where can you actually pick up a bottle, and what's it going to do to your wallet? The great news is that availability is fantastic. You can walk into almost any major home improvement store or retailer in the United States and find this on the shelves. It's readily available at Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, or you can easily order it online through Amazon to have it delivered right to your front door. Price-wise, a standard 32-ounce concentrate bottle usually runs anywhere between $18 and $24, depending on your location and current store sales. When you consider how highly concentrated this formula is, and the fact that a single bottle can provide several months of continuous, worry-free protection for an average-sized backyard plot, it represents an absolutely fantastic value for the price. At the end of the day, if you're searching for a low-maintenance, highly effective, and dependable way to keep your hard-earned harvest safe from devastating bug infestations this summer, Bio-Advanced Fruit, Vegetable, and Berry Insect Control is a remarkably solid choice that delivers on its promises. But now, I want to hear from you. What is your personal garden philosophy? Do you prefer staying strictly organic with regular contact sprays, or do you love the sheer convenience and time-saving nature of systemic products like this one? Let me know your thoughts and experiences in the comments down below. If you found this breakdown valuable and it helped you make a decision for your garden today, please hit that like button, share this video with a fellow gardener, and make sure to subscribe to Pro Gardening for more honest, direct, and practical US garden product reviews. Thank you so much for watching, keep those pests at bay, and happy gardening!